Hey, it's Frank Pete here, giving you another edition of stock market investing. My name is Frank Pete. I am the founder of Smart Investing Bootcamp, where we invest smartly. Did I say smartly? Yes, smartly. So today, I just want to break out and talk to you just a tiny bit before I start sweating, tiny bit about just the bull market alone. All right, and I want you guys to comment below, like, what are some of the factors or the advantages of being in a bull market? The question for the day to comment below is, what are some of the good factors that you can have inside of a bull market, right? So I want you to think about that. But we're going to talk about it right now. And the good part about a bull market is that you can get capital gains. Now, what are capital gains? All right, capital gains is, say your particular stock is investing at $75, right? That's your stock, and then that stock go and say you got maybe 100 shares, and that stock goes to, let's say, $80. So really, you have 100 shares. That means on each share it increased $5, right? So that means you have a capital gain of $500. And that's what we want, right? That's what we want. And we don't have to pay taxes on it. Why is that? Why is it that we don't have to pay taxes on it? Because we haven't sold anything, right? The only time that you're responsible for taxes in the stock market is when you sell something, when you sell. So if that stock went from $75 to $100, and you now have $2,500 of capital gains in your account, you don't have to pay any taxes on that. You just don't. So it's a sweet thing to just watch your account grow and grow and grow. And that is the benefit of being inside of a bull market. All right, bull market means that for that particular stock, the $75, that Wall Street likes it. And if Wall Street likes it, we already know they're going to put their money and continue to put their money into that stock. And in turn, it will continue to drive the stock price up. But here's another reason why it's good in a bull market, is because Wall Street responds to the earnings report. The earnings report that comes out every quarter, right? And that's January, that's April, that's July, and October, right? Those are the 4 quarters. It's 4 quarters: first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. And each of those quarters, they have to put out an earnings report. And if their earnings report projects that their earnings, or even shows that their earning is higher than it was last quarter, Wall Street likes that. Likes it a whole lot. And what they do, they'll reward them by putting more money into their stock and driving that particular stock up, right? Specifically or particularly when that stock pays a dividend, because they'll put more money in there, which means that the number of their shares have increased, which means that they will make more money from a dividend, and a dividend is the money that they get just for owning the stock. Ain't that pretty cool? That you can purchase a stock and you can be paid just for owning that stock, and that's called a dividend. And woo, here come the sweat, y'all. Here come the sweat. So I'm gonna get out of here. But that's what we like about a bull market. Drives the stock price up. And then also, if it's a dividend paying stock, then we can receive some dividends off of that. All right, so that's it for today. You tell me again, what is the benefit of having a stock in a bull market? What is the benefit of having a stock in a bull market? And I know that's a little different than the question I asked before, but here's the question: what is the benefit of having a stock in a bull market? All right, so hit the comments below. Let's talk about it. And as always, go ahead and subscribe, so you can be the first ones getting this type of stuff when I hit you on my run, before all the sweat just starts pouring down. All right, so you've learned another tip today, and I'm gonna keep bringing them to you, and you're just gonna learn how to invest, and be real good at this thing. You're gonna be real good at this thing. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.